Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can deactivate your Wish account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.wishwish.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Wish. Here you'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon. Click on it as shown on the screen and you'll be led to your profile. Again, click on the edit profile button and you will be led to your account settings. Here, if you scroll all the way down to the last, you'll be able to see a manage account button. Click on it and you'll view this pop-up with two options to either deactivate your account or permanently delete. Since we're going to deactivate our account, click on the deactivate account button. You'll again view a pop-up to authenticate your account. Click on this email button. Then here you'll have to verify account to proceed. Wish will have sent a code to your email address. You'll have to simply enter the code by first opening the email from Wish. Then copy the code and enter it in this box. A pop-up like this will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to really deactivate your account, but you'll have to keep in mind that your account will be disabled and your reviews, uploads and profile will be removed. You can reactivate your account anytime by just simply logging back in. Then you'll be able to see these options. Then you'll have to choose a reason why you want to deactivate your account. If the reason does not come under the options given, you can simply click on the something else option and write your own reason. Then simply click on the continue button. Finally, you'll view this pop-up to confirm your account deactivation. Here, you'll have to keep in mind that your account will be disabled and your reviews, uploads and profile will be removed. However, you can reactivate your account anytime by just logging in. So you'll have to simply click on the deactivate my account button and your Wish account will be successfully deactivated. So it is that easy, and if you have found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.